Hi there! Let's go through a brief overview of how to renew your push certificate in Jamf Now. After logging into Jamf Now, click APNS in the sidebar. In the Apple Push Notification Service section, click Renew. Click Download Certificate Signing Request.plist. Once the download is complete, click Next. There are 3 key pieces of information on this page. First, make note of the Apple ID that must be used to renew this push certificate. Using a different Apple ID will break communication between your devices and Jamf Now. Next, make note of the serial number and expiration date of the push certificate. This will help you identify the correct certificate to renew during the next step should you have more than one to choose from. Once you've made these notes, click Open the Apple Push Certificate portal to open the web page in a new tab. Sign in with the previously noted Apple ID. I only have one certificate to choose from, but I can see that the expiration dates match. I could click the information icon to verify the serial number as well, but I'm confident this is the right one, so we can click Renew. Under Vendor Signed Certificate Signing Request, click Choose File, and select the Certificate Signing Request.plist file that we previously downloaded. Click Upload, and then Upload again to create the new push certificate. On the confirmation screen, click Download to download the newly created push certificate. Once the download is complete, go back to Jamf Now. Now that we've completed these steps, click Next. Click Browse and choose the push certificate we just downloaded. Click Upload to confirm the selection. Finally, confirm that the Apple ID is correct, click Save, and that's it. We know the token was successfully renewed because the renew by date is 1 year from today. Thanks for watching.